all these pictures of surprise gifts, chocolates and roses. Because I think February is the month when everyone gets together for a big, warm, sappy hug. This is by far the most romantic time of the year. Unless you are single. If you are single, it kind of sucks. If you are single, then it just accentuates the fact that you have nobody to celebrate this month with. So I get this question a lot. You are really successful, you are a good looking guy, you have six-pack abs. Then why are you not dating anyone? So I got this over and over and over and I was thinking, heck, why am I not dating anyone? So to make this doubt clear, I have come up with 4 points for the reason that I have decided to be single. I have chosen that I want to be single. So the reason number 1 is flirting. Now, research says that flirting is a very powerful tool to make you feel good and confident about yourself. But just imagine, if I had a girlfriend, would she allow me to do that? Definitely not. I have to answer 1,000 questions each time I talk with some girl. Who was she? Why were you talking with her? What is your relationship with him? Why were you ignoring me in front of her? Oh my god, man, give me a break. I can't keep answering these questions. And if I don't flirt, then I'll become all sad with low self-confidence. Do you guys really want me to become sad with low self-confidence? Exactly. So, do I need a girlfriend? No, thank you. Reason number 2, holy socks. Now, as guys, we wear socks for years. Socks are like wine for us. The older they get, the better. I have socks from 1995. Whenever you buy a new sock, it's brand new. But as years go by, there are some holes here and there. After 5 years you can see your toe coming out. But after a decade, the only thing that remains of a sock is the elastic. I'll show you my favorite sock. It's from 1997. It's the best one ever. I mean, it's still good. I can still use that for 10 more years. So do I have all that kind of money to blow buying new socks all the time? I don't need a girl in my life who will come and tell me that, hey, Nirmit, please throw away all old and lucky socks and buy new ones. Do I need a girlfriend? No, thank you. Reason number 3, farting. Now, all the relationships, the stages of a relationship can be defined by farts. The first stage is what I call conspiracy of silence, where both parties agree that neither of them have any kind of bodily waste. But we know that this is not true. Everybody has something or the other. So this stage has to end, and it ends with a small, shy, quiet, honey, delicious fart. And the nod of agreement saying that, yes, I'm so sorry I did that. This enters a completely new stage, which I call the fart honeymoon. Now, the fart honeymoon is the stage where the parties acknowledge and find that each other's guesses are the cutest thing in the world. But as we know that none of the honeymoons can last forever, even this will end. And this does. And the relationship enters into a deeper intimacy stage called true love. Now, wait a second, that is gross. I don't want that kind of true love. I know that people fart once in a while, it's okay thing to do. It's a universal truth that people do that. But I don't want to listen or smell my girlfriend do that in front of me. So do I need a girlfriend? No, thank you. Reason 4, toothpaste. Now, whenever I wake up in the morning, I'm always in a rush. I'm a busy man. I have things to do. So I grab all of my toothpaste, squeeze it on my toothbrush, brush my teeth, and I'm done. Out the room. Now, do I need some girl in my life who will come and tell me that you need to squeeze the toothpaste from the bottom just because it is neat? I don't have that much time in the morning to think and worry about toothpaste. So, do I need a girlfriend? No, thank you. All these guys who are posting photos on Facebook, please don't feel sad about being single people. We have decided to be single. We have chosen that we want to be single. But if you find a girl who will squeeze toothpaste from the middle, who will allow me to flirt with other girls, who won't fart in front of me, and who will allow me to wear holy socks, then I might still consider But then the pessimist and the sadist part inside me knows what will happen even if I get that girl. Love until you hate her, then love to hate her love, and then forgive the hate and love in it. Oh my God, that's just way too much. I can't do it. So I have decided that I won't date for a while. So guys, do I need a girlfriend?